Exotic Animal Facts
with Shay
and Katie. Camel!
Do you know what camels store in their humps? Fat. That helps camels survive weeks without water or food in the desert. When this camel's full grown, its hump can weigh up to 80 pounds. Do you know any other animals that can go long periods of time without food or water? The greater kudu.
Kudu, cousin to the antelope. Kudu are from Africa. But did you know the cryptic coloring and the markings protect kudus by camouflaging them? If alarmed, they usually stand still and are very difficult to see, keeping them safe from predators. What other animals use camouflage to protect themselves? Marmoset!
Do you know what the difference is between a monkey and an ape? A tail. This little guy is a monkey with a formal name, marmoset. Marmosets are 20 centimeters long, excluding their long tail. Their wide tufts on their head distinguish them from other types of breeds. Do you know how many other kind of monkey breeds there are? Think about it. Kangaroo.
What animal can jump, box, and run up to 55 miles per hour? Kangaroos, of course. Found mainly in Australia, Tasmania, and New Guinea, these unique animals hold their joeys in their pockets for 9 months. What other animals do you think can move as fast as a car? Point 2, or French donkey.
Did you know that some types of donkeys are endangered? This type of donkey is called the pointu, and it's endangered. They are from wings, and as you can tell, have long, shaggy coats, which is called a cadenet. It is always brown and black, and never striped or spotted. At least full-bred ones. As you can tell, that one is not full-bred. What do you think they can do to help the pointu from becoming extinct? And as you can tell, don't put your hand in a donkey's mouth.
Cockatoo! How do you tell a male and a female cockatoo apart? The eyes. Females have a blue ring around their eye and males do not. These birds are beautiful, but they're also very loud. Their squawk can be heard up to 3 miles away. They can also live up to 80 years, needing lots of attention. They're very social birds. Hi, Libby. Is the squawking a defense mechanism? Maybe.
Says the cow, bow wow, says the dog. Meow, meow, says the cat. That's the sounds the animals make. What do you think about that? Animals, animals, I like to hear them talk. Animals, animals, I like to hear them squawk. Squawk! Beep, beep, says the chick. Neigh, neigh, says the horse. Caw, caw, says the crow. That's the sound the animals make. How many do you know? Animals, animals, I like to hear them talk. Animals, animals, I like to hear them squawk. Squawk! You can hear them talking to themselves, talking to each other, talking to you and me. Each animal sounds different if you listen carefully. bang, says the pig. Quack, quack, says the duck. Baa, baa, says the sheep. That's the sounds the animals make. It's time to go to sleep. Moo, moo, says the cow. Bow, wow, says the dog. Meow, meow, says the cat. That's the sounds the animals make. What do you think about that?